One of the most important things is to carry a good knife, because you never know when you might need it. However, EDC stands for everyday carry. Therefore, your standard pocket knife is going to count as an EDC knife. The best EDC knives are relatively small and lightweight, so they're easy to slip into your pocket or purse and are ready whenever you need them. And there is a lot to remember about these knives. It is entirely possible to get a quality, affordable EDC blade with all the features and performance you need without breaking your budget. If you're just starting out in EDC or looking for a cheap knife, that does not mean that you won't find a good knife with a great quality in a cheaper EDC knife. So, a good knife doesn't have to break the bank. Amazingly, there are excellent knives for just about any budget. We've made a list of the top 5 EDC knives for you under $50.
Hello there, we are the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so the viewer may know about the products. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
If you are looking for an amazing EDC knife, look no further than the SOG Flare Assist. It features the patented SOG Assisted Technology SAT opening system. The lightweight but strong glass-reinforced nylon GRN handle and a clip-point blade deliver durability and versatility. This knife is very slim and includes its trademark reversible low-carry pocket clip, so you can confidently carry it everywhere. The SOG Flare knife is crafted from HCR 13 MOV stainless steel. This folding EDC knife features a 3.5-inch blade and a closed length of 4.5 inches. Additionally, this flare features a rugged clip-point blade design that brings the point closer to the knife's center line for better leverage force and more precision cuts. Firstly, the SOG Assisted Open concept quickly makes the knife open without breaking the law. Plus, they included a secondary safety lock just to make sure you did not accidentally open it as well. Finally, if you're looking for a trusty EDC that delivers quality at a reasonable price, the SOG Flare won't disappoint you. Smith & Wesson SWM P4LS will be the best bet for those looking for a solid package with rugged, reliable performance. It features an edge-retaining 4034 black oxide high-carbon stainless steel blade, a black aluminum handle, and a spring-assisted opening, closing, and locking system. The SWM P4LS is an outstanding EDC for outdoor enthusiasts. This is a sturdy, practical, and affordable pocket knife. Its overall length is 8.6 inches with a blade length of 3.6 inches. The knife weighs just 7.6 ounces. It has a long blade with serrated features and a nice weight that makes it suitable rugged outdoor knife. Also, it can be folded down into pocket-sized shape. This knife comes with an aluminum handle with a rubber inlay for included comfort and ensures that you have a secure grip while using the knife. Plus, you can be sure that the blade won't slip because of the security of the safety lock. This knife features a glass break. Moreover, it comes with the Magic Assist opening. When the red dot is showing, the knife is ready to be deployed. And when the red dot is hidden, the knife will not be deployed at all. So, if you're looking for an EDC knife that is ready for any situation, then the Smith & Wesson SWM P4LS will be the best knife for you. Kershaw makes high-quality products, and the Kershaw Skyline 7-in-60 knife is one of them. It is affordable for all consumers. This knife is slim, compact flipper that can serve as a gentleman's knife just as well as it can be a tough EDC blade. So it is one of the best knives you can find for everyday carry that mostly comes down to the fact that it has truly attractive steel attached. Also, it has built-in advanced technology, making it the best working tool. The knife has an innovative design. Its 3.1 inches blade is corrosion and wear resistant because the Skyline has a great spare point style blade made of Sandvik 14C28N. Steel takes an extremely sharp razor edge and holds it for a decent while. It has a G10 handle and the handle of the knife is lightweight. It also delivers a secure grip. The reason is it has textures and deep index finger contour. The blade is well balanced, plus it has a strong and hard tip. Furthermore, there is a rugged stonewash finish. This knife is capable of hiding scratches and fingerprints. In addition, it provides a classic way to open a knife. There is a thumb hole. The built-in flipper safely deploys the blade. However, this knife is slim enough to fit comfortably in any pants or shorts you want to wear, and it will look good doing it. Overall, this knife is a fantastic gift for any hunter, hiker, hobbyist, carpenter, angler, and backpacker. The CRKT Ripple is one of the most famous knives in the EDC market. This is a super slender, lightweight flipping machine meant to be used for all your EDC needs. The blade is made from HCR14 MOV high carbon stainless steel that is durable and corrosion resistant. It has such an awesome top switch that results in a super fine tip, which is excellent for detail work, and a hollow grind that is plenty thin behind the edge that will make slicing a pleasure. The close length of the CRKT Ripple is 4.33 inches, with a 3.125 inch blade. To open the blade, this knife uses a flipper tab. And because this blade happens to have IKBS ball bearings where you will normally find washers, you can imagine just how fast and smooth the blade flies out when you press the flipper. Additionally, it has a 6061 aluminum handle that combines strength with minimal weight. Moreover, lockup on this knife is accomplished by a stainless steel liner lock, which is easy to close thanks to texturing on the liner's edge. The knife weighs 2.5 ounces, which is the right size and weight for an EDC. Indeed, it is a highly reliable knife. Above all, you're looking for the best EDC knife for the money. It will be the best choice. The CRKT CEO is one of the most popular EDC knives. It is a sharp-looking knife with a sharp blade to match, and while it is more than capable of outdoor adventure, it wouldn't look out of place in the top pocket of his suit jacket. This knife is a sleek and sophisticated EDC folder designed by Richard Rogers for a streamlined gentleman's carry. Also, this knife is outfitted with a satin-finished blade and a lightweight glass-reinforced nylon handle. The CRKT CEO is constructed from a sturdy HCR13 MOV steel blade. Its 3.107 inches 8CR13 MOV blade is easy to maintain, and the GRN scales deliver a decent grip despite the slim nature of the handle itself. Its blade is sharp and strong, and it can cut through a wide range of materials with ease. Thanks to the slim blade profile, it is perfect for cutting difficult-to-reach areas. Moreover, the blade is deployed using a fast-opening thumb stud mechanism with an IKBS ball bearing system. Plus, it is easy to deploy and comfortable to hold. Weighing in at just 2 ounces, this knife is designed to be easily carried in a shirt or suit pocket. Furthermore, this knife comes with a limited lifetime warranty that covers manufacturing defects and other details. All in all, this knife is the best EDC knife for someone looking for a subtle, refined, and capable knife for an affordable price.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.